Mama, your girl is graduating, and you know I've graduated. I'm just hoping that we are making you proud wherever you are. We love you dearly and will always love you. But please, wherever you are, may your soul rest in peace.
Please settle down. Please stand when you signaled to stand for the procession. Remain standing until you are told to sit, directed by the Chancellor to sit. Our emergency exits are on my right and on my left, as well as at the at the back of the hall. Graduates, please make sure that you have your white envelopes, and when you are bringing them to the dean, please make sure you try and face the audience, because there's a shot that's taken from that side. So please try and face that side and give the envelope to the dean and face the audience. Please, can we try and keep our cell phones on silent mode for a respectful and uninterrupted ceremony? We've got our emergency crew seated right in front here for your safety. If you're feeling sick, please contact them. We've got PPS that's situated in the middle of the passage on my left. They are here for photography services for all masters and PhD students, but they will be taking a free photo for people who've done their diploma, who are graduating for their diploma in archives. They will also give a free photograph for all human settlement students and all masters and PhDs. Our restrooms are right at the end of the passage on my left.
shame.
Sashakala zezingabi.
Ake sizophinde funde futhi ukuthi.
Shoda thuna la ya.
Yena. Othi yini? Ngisho ngathuni. Ona zine masters qha.
Vice Chancellor, I have the honour to request you to confer the degree of Master of Social Science in Criminology on the listed candidate.
I hereby confer the degree.
Kiyama Mlungisi.
Hello, Dr. Loyen.
Sikiba Onati. Kantu Bulawa.
Your mommy's here, girl.
Masisi.
Ay, machis,
Masina Sientani.
oh, mama. Oh, Ngosia.
Ungayibamba kanje unomphela. Awusondele nathi.
Zini.
Kulo mani sondele mani sithi yabona. Yabona.
Kanje ba? Iyaqala ibala then thathe ukuthi
Qali Rienetsi.
Well done, sir. Just let's wait.
Get the flowers. So is that like gift? Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Graduation yakho yazibayiyo.
What's good, everybody? I still kicking. So guys, in this vlog, I had to actually cut it short, and try to explain you while I'm settled down and settled, so I feel like this is the time. Today it's Sunday. I'm not quite sure about the date, but my sister graduated on Thursday, the 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th. Today must be the 29th, around that date, around those dates. So you guys, I had to come here and try to explain you what transpired in the graduation. The graduation was so emotional. I don't want to lie. My sister's graduation was emotional, and yeah, man, it was just a reflection of thinking where we come from with our mother, and not her being present to actually testify our memories and to actually cherish us. English, cherish us. You understand? So you guys, I just have to say that thank you so much for the comments, thank you so much for the likes, thank you so much for each and every different engagement that you gave out for my social media platforms ever since I posted about my sister's graduation. I thank you so much, guys. I thank you so much. Like, do not take this for granted. Thank you so much from the deep down of my heart. Do you understand? I thank you so much for your presence, because if this wasn't you, I would haven't vlogged this actually graduation for my sister. But you did it. So we should say congratulations to the entire Chu family, because you're my family. If we are here and subscribed, then you're my family. If you follow me on my social media platforms, you are the Chu fam gang. Understand? So guys, everything went so well. We came a bit late. We came right about around 7. we moved from Alice to Matatiela, you know, the journey was so smooth. The journey was smooth. Don't wanna lie. So everything went so well, but we arrived. We actually on the way. There was the fog, you know, in the road, and then it wasn't easy for us to actually navigate through the road, but we did. Thanks to the Lord Almighty that we did, you know. So yeah, I was kind of saving my battery, you know, for me to arrive safe at home and actually tell my sister that I've just arrived. Do you understand? So I just saved my battery so that I can actually communicate with people where I am, my whereabouts. So yeah, it is what it is. And then being here, vlogging everything that happened and transpired, you know, is such a you know, I don't know the feelings. I have mixed feelings. My feelings are mixed because I'm thinking of each and everything that was done or what I was doing in the graduation, and I'm like, I was out of my mind, you know. I was out of my mind because, guys, I was so emotional. I was so emotional, and I'm sorry to each and everyone that I caused him or her to cry. It wasn't my intention to do so, but everything just took me by surprise, and I had to react. Do you understand? Thinking about my mom, bro, this is a story for another video. If I have to tell you a story about my mom, you're gonna cry. You're gonna cry it out. And in that post, in that Facebook post that where I said, oh, that was WhatsApp, where I said, it touched me, it touches me a lot to think of her as a late bloomer, because my mom was always a late bloomer. I don't wanna lie. My mom was already a late bloomer, and this actually affected us so much, you know, in such a way that in each and everything that we are doing, we just bloomed late. We just bloomed late, guys. I remember my age mates were far ahead of me, you know, in terms of education, you know, and my sister's age mates were far ahead of her in terms of education. But we did it. We did manage to get where we are because of the Lord. Actually, I still thank the Lord even today, you know, because I don't know, I don't understand what actually happened to us, you know, to get this far. It is simply because of the Lord, guys. I can testify to you, you know, and it touches me. It touches me a lot to think of how my mom was a prayer warrior. My mom was a prayer warrior, guys. My mom was always praying. My mom taught us to pray. My mom taught us silence. My mom taught us resilience. My mom taught us to actually, you know, don't actually engage in things and stuff that are not concerning you. Do you understand? So thinking of her celebrating this moment while she's absent is just set the mood to the lowest point for me and for my sister. I know, and knowing how she loved her, how she always wanted her, the best for her, you know, and my mom would be actually roaming around and rolling on the ground, celebrating our success, you know, man, but she is not here. Understand? She's not here. And shout out to each and everyone who doesn't have any parent, but doing it for their mothers, for their fathers, you know, doing it for each and everyone. And shout out to those who have parents and actually they are actually proud for them while they're alive. Because, guys, that's a moment that you don't want to miss. You don't want to miss not having your parents. Do you understand? Because now I can testify now. I know it for me. I know how it feels for me. Guys, I know how it feels. I really know how it feels. You know. So if you're out there having a parent, just be kind. Be kind to your parent. Be kind to your parent and make sure that your parent, each and everything that he or she wants, must get it from you. Because what's the point? What's the point of crying over spilled milk? There's no point. There's no point. We are crying today because the Lord decided to take our mom, decided to take our parents, in fact. Do you understand, guys? So please, if you have a parent, please make sure that you pull your A game to your parents, bro. Pull your A game to your parents. Do not let him or her be in need of something that you have. Pull your A game. Please, guys. Please. Like, I'm pleading with you. I'm pleading with you. There's no feeling that is hurtful like losing a parent. There's no. I thought this is going to be a story for another video, but I'm affiliating it right now. So I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry to actually raise your emotions, and I didn't intend it to, because I just wanted this video to be just a cool video, a cool sit down, a cool vlog video actually, because I'm still in a vlog video. So I thought it would be a cool vlog video whereby we'll just sit down and talk about everything and actually reflecting on my sister's graduation, because that was damn emotional. That was damn emotional. I'm still emotional thinking about it right now. I'm still emotional, like, watching the videos, her being on stage and shouting out my name, roaring like a lion, and like, I was just like, child, relax. I'm here for you. Your brother is here for you. Relax. Relax. I'm here for you. I got you. But for me, making it there, it's just the mood. Just the mood. So guys, see you on the next upload. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to click the link for notification. Do not forget to click the red button somewhere here and subscribe. Do not forget to actually give this video a thumbs up. Click the bell for notifications so that you cannot lose my weekly uploads. And actually stay calm, stay collected, and be cool wherever you are. Thank you so much for reaching this part of the vlog, because people have been skipping, I know, but you did it to this point. Thank you so much. And you guys, do not forget to follow me on my socials. On Instagram is ke.kedi, on Facebook ke.kedi, on YouTube same handle. I don't have X, so please kindly feel free to follow the boy. As a content creator, guys, I'm a self-taught content creator. You must understand how hard I'm doing it. But we are getting there. We're getting there, because people who raised me actually thought how to do everything for you, how to do everything thought by yourself. If you want something, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it, nigga. Just feel free. Until I see you guys on my next upload, keeping peace, and do not drink and drive. Be safe. I'm out.